Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go to ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Wow. Life. Such is life. Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself anyone today in the world, you know. You don't know, say the attacking boss is here, the one and only NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production. And I mean say attack. Some people, wow, it's a sad one, my people. And I want to say, R.I.P. Freelance Chucky. R.I.P. Russ Anthony. You understand? You don't know, say the two of them, my people, forward from the eastern side of Jamaica between Portland and St. Thomas. So we have to say, rest in peace to the both of them, my people. And you don't know, so the two of these persons, my people, were basically YouTubers. You understand? Started off on the Backpack Simon YouTube channel, my people. And you know what I mean? And if you have seen a video that I did, I upload when Chucky did manage to come boom and split up from Simon and thing, my people. And you know what I mean? Move on and say this and say that. And you don't know, so the attacking boss drop a attack. You know what I mean? But to them people, and like we are carry up Chucky in our heart based on the fact where we drop a attack. No, we just speak with mind and speak the truth. And we didn't want to see make it. We didn't want to see my Simon, you know what I mean, go back on. But unfortunately, my people, we get some news say couple hours ago, you understand, or to say on Monday, May 6, Chucky sadly passes away after meeting a motorbicycle accident, my people over there, on the eastern side of Jamaica. On Russ Anthony side, my people, him do a lot of upload, you understand, with Backpack Simon. From them used to do spear fishing with barracuda and this, we have seen with them the cooking video with Backpack Simon and look like a cool Russ, you understand? Yeah man, cool and calm one, but unfortunately my people, couple days ago, before Chucky passes away, them say Russ Anthony, my people, was standing in him yard outside of the gateway to him yard, my people, when unknown assailant take him out, my people. Take out him 3 points. Up to date, no motive has been established for the who responsible for this gruesome act against Russ Anthony. So the two of them in my people, two of them who started off, who work alongside Backpack Simon. We that say Chucky, theme thing kind of different because I don't know, so Chucky was part of the vlog with Russ Kitchen and them thing, them people, but Backpack Simon was the one who stays a boom forward and build him up a YouTube channel and you know what I mean, give him a push and thing, my people. But as me tell you, unfortunately, things do turn the other way. Russ Anthony's side from a real level, you don't know, say Backpack Simon really do push him and highlight him, give him the full strength there and the full push to my people. But it's life. And I always say this start, my people, nobody knows what tomorrow may bring. You can be here today, then tomorrow, that is it, my people. You understand? That is it. See? Because I always watch Chucky, my people. See him on his motorcycle and see him behave sometime. And a real level, my people. I don't know if no one ever comment, but I never made the comment. But the way how him ride on that look 50 something there, you understand that look a bike something there, my people. You never see him in a protective gear, my people. No helmet. Like 90% of the time, if I see him 10%, I can't remember. Him not have no helmet on him head, my people. You understand? More while you see Al Simon on the back of him bike with them, my people, them here a blow like I'm here want be helmet for them, my people. Okay, you don't know, same grow female long enough, my people, like Faith Jesus on the picture. You understand? But on a real level, my viewers and subscribers, it's really a sad situation. You see me? Sad situation, and that we can't escape from that because all of we have to go there so one day. But me just feel like that some people can just bring crosses in your life and destruction and consumption and ramsumption. Boom! Boom. You understand? Certain people who you let in your life. You see me? Remember, I know my people. Chucky was there living it, you know. Man I do him look a thing, you understand, and this and things are go on. And until this whoever from America forward in a Chucky life who claims say whatever she love her, she this or she that, and she what manage to do bring him back over there. You understand? Just the other day, not long ago, not even a year now, over America there's some people and thing. And it seemed like from that moment that go on, other things just start turn the other way for Chucky. And I know say him daughter right now feel it to her heart. You understand? She feel it. Because people, as me show you, some people have destruction back at them. I follow them. Destruction. A real thing me I tell you. And the moment you give them this time and this space for come in a your atmosphere and your environment, me I tell you, a be a corruption them bring my people. You see me? Russ Anthony, and a real level I can't tell I don't know what really got on pan film side, you know, why somebody that want to take out them 3 points of people. But we all know how things go. Man and man, human and thing, my people, and we can have our differences, you know that go. You understand? And not even say differences, because I can't tell the reasons behind this, why somebody would really do this. But all I can say is, people, me a Jah, you know what I mean, reveal the perpetrators, reveal the wicked one who would have managed to take out a virgin life. You understand? Because at the end of the day, my people, no matter what circumstances may be there, my people, you know what I mean? There's other ways how we can deal with things instead of go use arm and weapons and this and that to take out people's life. When the end of the day is, we can't blow breath, we can't blow life in the people. You see me? I want to send out my deepest condolences to the family of these 2 YouTubers. Freelance Chucky, Russ Anthony. And may their soul rest in peace. You see me? And in myself, I just sorry that me and Chucky never get the chance to do a conversation. Like, you know, we do talk, we do. Because I wasn't expecting, say the I would have really passed that way. But as I'm saying, pertaining to back to the first part when I say I did a vlog, I did that story, you understand where he make a move and I do launch an attack my people, because with certain circumstances, I never feel good about the situation, how him deal with things of people. And when I did talk, I talk about how them stop a lot of food and opportunities for a lot of Jamaica who that do things the real way. And this is why I was really angry about the situation. And go back to basis for people. Same way with Moko, if you notice, when Moko stays and make him move my people, I do launch an attack same way and talk about the things there, because ungrateful people, me not like them a people. But a real level. See? Chucky, rest in peace. Russ Anthony, rest in peace for people. And I can't spread no fake love, you know, because them done dead, them done gone already. You see me? I know a lot of people are going to run in and I go say, yo, this, go say that, you understand all this and that and that and that. But a man dead, a man gone. What a man need to do is use these things more and more as learning lesson. You understand, as learning lesson. And back to basics when me actually about letting people in your atmosphere. You know what I mean? Some people it does destruction. You did a good at your thing, you know, bro. You live your life, you do your thing, you manage, you maintain things for people. And then trees. Some people just forward in your way, bro. And the way them forward in your way is like, you may feel say it's joy to you. You may feel say something great for you. But deep inside, bro, is the devil. You know what I mean? The devil. Because we all talk these things, but we say, the devil do got powers too, you know, bro. The devil do got powers too. And the devil them, you know, bro. And them I go highlight you and frighten you. Oh, yeah. You can't live this life. Go and bring you back America and this, because America #1 people. Chucky been there, done that already. Him there Jamaica living at the hills, relaxing. Them are the life where he really want. And see the trees after all of these. How things turmoil and turn the other way. Look how the man they did that live good with Simon till a year start. He say, Simon, rob him, Simon, do this, Simon, do that. You understand? And from them things that go on in him life, in him way. Him things that start shake down, some things that start fade away. Just like what happened to Moko over there. Right now, Moko good, the broken, hungry, and that go on for link up. I'll back my Matthew right now. You understand? If him not do, link him up and I beg him back for your chance, beg him back for your opportunity. But they don't blow these things. So people used to use these things as learning lesson, bro. You understand? And wise up, G. Wise up. Wise up, don't listen to people. Cause sometimes, you know, you with there living on people see you make it in and just because them dirty mind and them dirty ways and them bad mind. Hear them to you now, no? You understand? So I can't say, yo, some people, them just, no, you know what I mean? Them just nothing did there, bro. Them just, you know, so sometimes, bro, we don't need to accept certain things. Certain offer, let it go. Let it go, bro. You see me? But as I tell people, it's a sad situation, man, and I feel it. When I saw the thing today, I see it, Panda Sunrise, bro, the thing, I see like, it's share over there on Instagram, and I say, I'm there, I'm all a pass here a while, and I start to say, Judge, no. John, no, look here. And all me have to praise the turmoil of things, or things they turn on in a Chucky life. You see me? For Russ Anthony, I don't know too much about film side, but you know Chucky thing was really different. You see me? And all me pray back is all of them turmoil of things that my people. From the time, and you see me? When me did see things go that weird, and you get my people call a freelance. The man's a freelance, and the man born Babylon system. The man was freelance, but at the end, the man make Delilah trick him, people. A Delilah forward and trick him, you know. Delilah trick him to root it, and from Delilah trick him, my people, and they say things just go the other way, my people. You see me? But as I want to say, yo, my people, again and again, you don't know, say rest in peace and condolences is one of the biggest things me can offer. You know what I mean, my people? Because you don't know we did this, so when I like, so we can go visit the family, visit the daughter and say, boom, man. But daughter, if you watch the vlog right now, my condolences to you, and I saw every movement and everything we make, but you know, me know you feel it, because me know you love your father no matter what. Me know you love him. But me know deep inside you pray and I say, yo, if certain things they forward that way, yeah, things would never turn that way. You see me? But I just decide there. But for the real of my people, yo, I tell you, careful out there. Careful out there. You understand? And everything with glitter is gold. That's all me can tell you now. R.I.P. again, Chucky. R.I.P. again, Russ Anthony. And my people, remember to do like, do share, do comment, do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, on Facebook and Twitter. And Backpack Simon, big up yourself, you know. Because I see you show your condolences to Chucky and Russ Anthony. And big up yourself for that, brother. Because you know what I mean? Big up yourself, bro. And me see you living in another country now. So go and live it, bro. You see me? And visit Jamaica. Make sure you attend the funeral of Chucky. You see me? And make sure you give them some funds too. You see me? No matter what, give them some funds, brother, for help with the burial and thing. You see me? Because you say what you say now, brother. You see me? Peace out, my people. Peace out. Enough love. Blessing.